Hello, New Horizons. It's time to play bingo. In order to play music bingo, I want you to make sure that you have a few things first. You should have watched the music lesson on dynamics where we talked about Italian words such as forte and piano and fortissimo and pianissimo. So you should watch that lesson first. And also, there should be some links to some printouts for you. I have 3 different bingo boards. They're mixed up, so you can play with someone else if you like to. If you want to play with a sibling or a parent or whoever, so that makes it a little more competitive. So there's 3 different boards. And then also there is a cheat sheet. Because I'm not going to give the actual words, I'm going to give the symbols. And so the point to this is that you learn your music symbols. So your cheat sheet, which I reviewed and talked about in the dynamics music class lesson, I will be saying these Italian words, but I will be saying the word and you have to know the symbol. For example, if I say forte, you'll have to look for the F. Now I will say the opposite with the music notes. I will say quarter note, and you'll have to recognize that this is a quarter note. But you can have this printout near you. See if you can try to not use this if possible. Maybe study it first, but if you need to, you can take a peek. Also note, I've got 8th notes. This is a little tricky. I've got the 8th note by itself, and I've got the double 8th note. So I will make sure to specify. Another thing that you need to make sure, I am going to be using the letter, B-I-N-G-O. I'll say the letter first and then the column. So, for example, if I were to say O mezzo piano, you would only mark O mezzo piano. You would not mark B mezzo piano. I suggest you use coins or pieces of paper and not mark them up so that you can play more than one time. I'm going to do multiple rounds so that you can play a couple of times. So yes, be sure you have the letter and then what's in the column. All right, and you may pause at any point if I say, let's say fortissimo and you can't remember what that is and you want to pause, that's cool, and then you can go check your cheat sheet. All right, so I'm going to begin. Go ahead and cover your free space. First spot is going to be I half note. I half note. Next, G pianissimo. G pianissimo. Next, O forte. O forte. Next, O fortissimo. O fortissimo. B half, or I'm sorry, scratch that. B whole note. B whole note. B forte. B forte. Next, N pianissimo. In pianissimo. In whole note. In whole note. And you're looking for bingo up, down, or diagonal. 5 in a row. In fortissimo. In fortissimo. I eighth note. And that's a single eighth note. I, eighth note. I, quarter rest. I, quarter rest. I, fortissimo. I, fortissimo. In, mezzo forte. In, mezzo forte. Some of them are getting full. I, quarter note. I, quarter note. P, piano. Oh, sorry. O, piano. O, piano. I, mezzo piano. I, mezzo piano. B, quarter rest. B, quarter rest. N, 2/8 notes. N, 2/8 notes put together. O, 1/8 note. O, 1/8 note. I, half note. I, half note. G, quarter note. G, quarter note. O, mezzo piano. O, mezzo piano. B, double eighth note. B, double eighth note. I, piano. I, piano. All right, I'm going to pause there. I'm pretty sure there's been a couple of bingos on at least one of these three boards. I know people like to play different ways. If you want to clear the board and start fresh, that's cool, and play another round, or you can play for filling up your board. I'm not going to repeat any of those, but although there may be a repeat, but I'm just going to continue. So this would be a good time to clear your boards and start over if you want to. All right. O, mezzo piano. G, quarter note. G, whole note. O, half note. O, half note. I, piano. I, piano. G, fortissimo. G, fortissimo. O, quarter rest. O, quarter rest. N, quarter note. N, quarter note. G, whole note. G, whole note. N, double eighth note. N, double eighth note. B, pianissimo. B, pianissimo. I, eighth note. That's I, 1/8 note. O, mezzo piano. O, mezzo piano. B, forte. B, forte. I, quarter note. I, quarter note. G, quarter rest. G, quarter rest. N, mezzo forte. N, mezzo forte. B, mezzo piano. B, mezzo piano. O, mezzo forte. N, quarter rest. I'm going to stop there. I feel like there's been another bingo. I'm going to stop my video, and I will make another with some more bingo numbers and letters and music signs. I hope you enjoyed bingo. See you later.